Halo teman-teman, terima kasih telah mengklik dan menonton video ini. Kembali lagi bersama saya di channel ini dalam lanjutan game Uncharted 4. Langsung saja pada gameplay kali ini kita sudah masuk di chapter yang keempat.
Nah, pada chapter sebelumnya, Nate dapat tawaran dari Jameson untuk berburu bangkai kapal di lepas pantai Malaysia. Gimana kelanjutannya? Yuk, kita cari tahu.
Climbed your big brother some years back. Yee, one of the stranger things I've collected along the years. Spanish doubloon found in a German U-boat.
Oke, sepertinya Nate sedang di suatu ruangan yang kelihatannya agak private dan mengecek barang-barang berharga yang pernah dia temukan. Tentunya semua yang didapat Nate dari Uncharted 1, 2, dan 3 tanpa kehadiran Sam. Karena pada saat itu, Sam masih di penjara Panama selama 15 tahun.
Sir Francis Drake takes a bullet for Sully.
Apakah yang dimaksud Sir Francis Drake, kapten kapal laut Inggris, yang melakukan perdagangan Buddha?
Tidak mungkin, Bang. Itu kan beberapa abad yang lalu. Sedangkan Nate dalam game ini di masa-masa sekarang. Mungkin itu berkas petualangan Nate dengan Francis Drake yang lain.
Oke, daripada bingung, kita lanjut dulu aja.
Shambhala.
Nah, Shambhala ini ada di Uncharted 2.
Bener, Bang.
Miss you,
Shambhala
pal.
itu kota mistis atau kerajaan mistis. Lokasinya tersembunyi di pegunungan Himalaya. Untuk iklimnya kota ini hampir tropis. Dan katanya sampai sekarang susah ditemukan.
Tapi di Uncharted 2, Nate berhasil membuka suatu gerbang dan menemukan kota Shambhala. Oke, ini foto Sully, Elena, dan Nate. Ini keberhasilan mereka pada Uncharted 1 atau Drake's Fortune.
So many men killed each other for a piece of this.
Apakah ini resin biru dari pohon Shambhala?
Sepertinya begitu, Neng. Kayaknya kita emang harus kembali mainkan seri Among Thieves baru bisa tahu.
Sir Francis and his elaborate puzzles.
Nah, bagi teman-teman yang pernah tamatin game Uncharted 1-3, pasti lebih tahu koleksi Nate ini seluruhnya.
Nah.
Ya, Nate tidak sanggup membuka foto Sam karena teringat kisah di penjara Panama,
Thanks for
di
nothing,
mana waktu
Saint
itu Sam
Dismas.
tertembak.
Now this was a crazy ride. Another lifetime, Chloe.
Kalau dibaca dari surat ini, sepertinya Fraser mengharapkan Nate berubah pikiran dan siap menunggu Nate kapan aja dan siap membantu Nate untuk melarikan diri. Kurang lebih seperti itu, teman-teman.
Dan Chloe Fraser ini adalah orang yang sangat suka pada Nate.
Yeah. Here they come. Take cover. I'm surrounded. Bullseye. Take that. All right. Don't let him flank you, Nate.
Sepertinya emang ini yang dilakukan Nate kalau sudah rindu dengan petualangannya memburu harta karun. Seolah-olah dia sedang berperang melawan musuhnya dengan pistol mainan itu.
And that. Eat plastic. Back in business. I gotta keep moving. No, I'm out of ammo. Yeah, bring it. Gotcha. Like a pro. Yeah, I'll be right there.
Sepertinya ada seseorang memanggil Nate turun ke bawah untuk makan.
Time's over.
Nah teman-teman, di bagian video ini suaranya terpaksa saya hilangin sekitar 2 menit. Karena demi menghindari terjadinya copyright atau pelanggaran hak cipta.
Probably too long and full of typos, but that's what editors are for, right? God, I'm starving.
Nah teman-teman, sang editor yang kelaparan ini adalah Elena. Dia sekarang telah menjadi istrinya Nate.
What?
Huh?
Got none of that.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. How was your day?
Oh, it was fine.
Mm-hmm.
Typical day in paradise.
Mm-hmm.
I got to pull a bunch of garbage out of a river. Yes.
At least you got to go for a swim. Did you find any exciting garbage?
Oh, it was some brilliant stuff. It was a early 21st century truck we got. Apparently the natives called it a semi.
Oh dear Lord.
So
Walau mendapatkan
boring
tembaga,
stuff. Tell me
pekerjaan
about the
kemarin di sungai tidak disukai Nate.
Well,
Karena
it
airnya
started
cukup
out
bau
as this
teman-teman.
fluff piece
Dan istrinya
about
Elena malah
tourism
meledek
in
Nate
Bangkok,
menyelam
but
di sungai itu.
I don't think the magazine is gonna like the angle that I'm taking because everyone immediately commented about how rude the smog was, that it was like shock to the lungs, like the second that you got off the plane. So kind of took this U-turn and became this elegy
Ah! What?
Where are you?
I'm in here being stabbed with a fork.
Oh, really?
What? Just keep going. It was interesting.
Oh,
Oh.
interesting. What's my article about?
What? This one?
Mm-hmm.
The people of Bangkok, and the smog, and how they can't get a flight anywhere, and people can't breathe.
Wow.
All right, I'm sorry.
No, it was valiant. It
I was in the
really
ballpark, right?
in a different state, but yeah, you were in a ballpark. Jameson asked you about that Malaysia job again.
Jameson always asks me about the Malaysia job.
Look, Nate, I really think that you should take it.
You know what? I don't want it. Really.
Jadi seperti itu teman-teman. Nate bilang ke Elena kenapa dia tidak mau mengambil pekerjaan dari Jameson karena pekerjaan itu tidak mempunyai izin. Tapi Elena menyarankan Nate terima pekerjaan di lepas pantai Malaysia itu demi Jameson.
You haven't seen him in
Elena,
what, 2 years?
Look, could we please drop this?
Okay, I just don't want you to not take it because of me.
I'm not taking it because of me, okay? I appreciate the gesture. It's just...
I'm gonna go ahead and do the dishes.
Stop, I'll do them. No,
You
hold
did
on.
them last night.
No, you cooked. I cleaned. It's fine. I mean, at least, let me try to earn it or something. Let me play you for it.
You'll play me for it?
Yeah. Your little TV game thing. I bet I can beat your high score.
You think that you can beat my high score on my TV game thing?
Yeah, I think you're scared now.
You don't even know what it's called.
I don't need to know what it's called. I've seen you play. It's
Right.
jumping and running, and I have a natural talent
Oh,
for that.
really?
So, what do you say? Chicken? Is it a bet?
Oh, wow. Okay, cowboy.
Nate meminta Elena untuk bermain PS1 dan ngotot akan mengalahkan skor tertinggi Elena.
Is this it?
No, it has to load.
Load.
Yes.
This is taking a really long time.
You have no patience.
When you turn something on, you expect it to... Okay, there we go. Crash Bandicoot.
Crash Bandicoot. Game ini pernah saya mainkan pada tahun 2000.
No?
Wow. Ternyata dirimu sudah mencicipi berbagai era PlayStation ya, Bang?
Make it go.
Ya, paling mengesankan itu adalah era PlayStation 2.
I knew that.
All right.
Pasti semua gamer seumuran saya mengatakan sama.
Okay, so you want to run towards the camera.
Oke, sekarang saya udah akan coba memainkan kembali game itu di dalam game ini.
Okay, run away from the boulder.
Why is the boulder chasing me?
Just run away from it.
I did nothing to this boulder. Did that spinning hurt? Oh, what happened?
You fell in the pit.
I don't know. How do I climb back up? Well, that's not realistic. I would have climbed back up. He should learn to climb. Climbing's always helped me.
Okay, you got it. There you go. Use your spin attack. Jump over the pit.
Well, he didn't jump far.
Wah, sepertinya sudah disetting supaya kita jatuh ke dalam lubang itu.
Life.
Jalan ceritanya Nate emang kalah, emang tidak bisa memainkan game ini, Bang?
Kurang lebih seperti itu.
Good, good. There you go.
Jump.
Not enough Wumpa for
Teman-teman,
to say that.
kita terpaksa bermain PS1 dulu ngikutin alur cerita game ini.
What? Is that it?
You asked for it.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I practically had it.
You can give it another shot. Come on, double or nothing. My car could really use a good cleaning.
Really? You gonna start
Yeah.
the smack talk
There's
now?
this mode called easy mode. I just switch it.
Wow.
It's way easier on
No, just
easy
keep talking.
mode.
Keep talking.
What are you gonna do?
I'm warning
What are
you.
you gonna do?
I'm warning
In
you.
real life, what
Hey,
can you do?
I'm
Show
telling
me.
you.
What can you
I'm
do
telling
in
you.
real life?
What do you think about that? Huh?
Hey, are you happy?
Yeah, of course. You? Really?
Come here.
Not open yet.
Wah, sepertinya Nate lembur dan ada yang mengetuk-ngetuk
Closed.
pintu. Siapakah kira-kira?
Come on, man. All right, I'm coming. Coming. Asshole. Yeah, can I help you?
Yeah, I'm looking for my little brother. It's about your height.
Wah, ternyata Sam masih hidup, teman-teman.
Terus kira-kira siapa yang menyelamatkan Sam?
Sebenarnya awalnya bukan diselamatin. Cuma para sipir penjara di sana ingin melihat Sam merasakan sakit dan sampai mati membusuk.
Alright, take it easy.
Jadi
Take it
para
easy.
dokter di sana menjahit luka dia, kemudian dileparkan kembali ke dalam sel. Penyebabnya adalah karena kematian sipir Vargas.
Berarti Sam sanggup bertahan dengan luka yang cuma dijahit aja?
Kemungkinan begitu, Neng.
Well, the doctors
Dan bisa juga ada bantuan seseorang di dalam
patched me
sana.
up and they
Atau bisa juga
put me right back into the
Alcazar.
cell.
Yeah, but I made calls. I checked everywhere. Everything I heard, everything I found, it all confirmed you were dead.
They think we killed a guard. Okay, so they wanted to see me rot in that cell for the rest of my life, and I nearly did.
Jesus, Sam, man, if I had known, I swear to you, I would have
You
come
would
out.
have come back. I know, Nathan. I know. What's important now, though, is that I'm out. Hey, you still with me?
Berarti Nate sudah berupaya menghubungi orang di penjara Panama untuk mencari tahu keadaan Sam. Namun pihak penjara mengkonfirmasi pada Nate bahwa Sam telah mati.
You're not gonna pass out on me or nothing, are you?
I just might. It's a lot to digest, you know? But how did you get out? When did you get out? How'd you even get here? Find me?
All right. Slow down. Hey, have a seat. I want to hear about you.
Me?
Rupanya Nate juga ingin tahu bagaimana Sam bisa keluar dari penjara Panama dan bisa sampai menemui Nate.
Tell me some pretty crazy ass stories.
Jeez, what crazy stories.
Got shot, hanging from a derailed train in the Himalayas.
Yeah, that actually happened.
Come on, man. What did I miss?
Jeez, Sam, where do I start?
Start with the best part.
Okay, do you remember the theory that we had that Sir Francis Drake faked his own death?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, he did. I found the coffin.
Off the coast of Panama?
Yeah. All right, now get this. Okay, I open it up,
Right.
right? And there's no body, but the bottom is his old journal.
You shitting me?
I mean, what can I say? Another lost city destroyed, and we made it out alive. Barely.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, it was. I wish you could have been there.
No, it's literally unbelievable. You tell me you stumble upon yet another archaeological gold mine, and somehow you manage to walk away with nothing.
Yeah, well, it's a story of my life, I guess. But, you know, I managed to grab a few trinkets here and there. Paid off the car, the house, engagement ring, the engagement ring. I'm married. I can't believe Elena from the stories. That's my wife. You gotta come meet her tonight. Dinner at my place. You're coming.
Selain
to dinner.
menceritakan
I can tell her all
keberhasilannya,
about you.
Nate juga menceritakan kalau dia telah menikahi
All
Elena
about you.
dan berniat mempertemukan Sam
I'm in
dan
a lot of
Elena.
trouble here.
Tetapi Sam mengalihkan pembicaraan tentang permasalahannya di sini dan menceritakan bagaimana dia keluar dari penjara Panama.
Does the name Hector Alcazar ring a bell with you?
Yeah, he's the drug lord.
Mm-hmm.
Butcher of Panama, right? Why?
It's a funny story, but last year he was my cellmate. So this is how I got out of prison.
Oke teman-teman, sekarang kita simak ceritanya Sam dengan Alcazar si Raja Narkoba. Kemungkinan Alcazar inilah yang membuat Sam bisa keluar dari penjara.
Well, you're not reading tonight?
Samuel, come here. Listen. The guards, they're singing.
Well, they're probably drunk.
Perhaps. But they are content. How can they be content with their small lives? Their miserable jobs?
I mean, they have wives to go home to. What do we
Oh,
got?
jadi seperti ini
No
gambarannya
offense.
yang diceritakan Sam saat dirinya satu sel dengan
We have
Alcazar.
ambition.
Benar, itu mereka berdua sedang berpakaian tahanan
Get
sana.
out of here. That ambition will take us to places these idiots cannot even imagine.
Yeah, well, amen to your optimism.
What will you do when you get out, Samuel?
That's if I get out of here. I'm sure you can imagine.
I can. But I want to hear you say it.
I will find the greatest pirate treasure of all time, which I'm sure you are sick of hearing about by now.
Oh, no. The tale of
Nah, jadi ceritanya Alcazar mempunyai ambisi keluar dari penjara dan dia bisa melakukannya.
Lullaby.
Kemudian Alcazar juga bertanya kepada Sam apa yang akan dilakukan Sam kalau sudah keluar dari penjara.
Given the
Sam
opportunity-
menjawab dia akan mencari dan menemukan harta karun Henry Avery. Lantas Alcazar seolah-olah tidak percaya kalau Sam bisa
What is
melakukannya.
that Avery quote?
I am a man of fortune, and I must seek my fortune.
I like how he thinks.
The hell was that?
The opportunity of a lifetime.
Señor Alcázar, un gusto verlo.
Sáqueme de aquí.
Whoa.
¿Qué hacemos con él?
Samuel, are you ready to seek your fortune?
Yeah.
Vámonos.
Nah, ternyata benar teman-teman. Sam keluar dari penjara karena Alcazar.
Benar sekali, Bang. Dan ini kita sudah masuk ke chapter 5.
Oke teman-teman, sepertinya di chapter 5 nanti kita fokus pada pelarian dari penjara. Kalau begitu, sampai di sini dulu gameplay dari game ini. Dan kita akan kembali di lanjutannya di video berikutnya.
Baik teman-teman, terima kasih telah menonton video ini. Salam rental, semoga usaha kita berjaya.